Ministry of Donor ke Union Minister JYOTIRADITYA M SCINDIA ngasi PUNG KHARAGI KHONGCHAT IMPHAL da LAKTUNA Governor Yaona Leingak ke Makok Thongba official singa Meepham Pangthokkhre Communication ke Union Minister su oiriba Ministry of Donor ke Union Minister JYOTIRADITYA M SCINDIA ngasi numit yung bamachong PUNG amaga minute taraga mga taba adwaida IMPHAL da thonglakibane Mahang IMPHAL ki British International Airport ta thonglabaga Manipur ki Chief Secretary Prasan Kumar Singh Yaona Leingak ki Makok Thongba official kaya na mahakpo taram okay Manipur ki khongchat aduga mari lainana Union Minister JYOTIRADITYA M SCINDIA na Paumi Singha hai Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Manipur ase Mangjal Thaba State ama ohenna ba lawrba firep adu thabak ta onthokna ba wakhalon de state asida Minister of Donor ki makhada paikhatliba tongan ba thabak thoram yengsinba lakpane Hiram asega mari lainana Raj Bhavan da Governor ga loinana tongan ba Meepham Singh pangthokani haida mahagna makha takhe
Visit is to ensure, as donor minister, Prime Minister's resolve of development, of vikas, of making sure that Manipur advances on that front. And therefore I have multiple meetings with the Honorable Governor to take that issue.
Raj Bhavan da pangthokpa Meepham aduda Union Minister JYOTIRADITYA M SCINDIA na Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalai yauna state asida paikhatliba tongan projects singi matangda review tawke Meepham aduda Union Minister JYOTIRADITYA M SCINDIA na state asida ahenba meeting changtuna paikhatkadaba projects sing maru oina handicrafts and handloom sports tourism international trade agriculture maru oina palm oil farming ki matangda wafam kaya putoktuna khananaina ke Meepham aduda mahakna state asida paikhatliba sangbat sagatpagi thabak sing maru oina University sing Manipur IT says mental hospital maternity amadi child hospital ki thabak sing hena khongjal yangna paikhatnaba mari leinaba official sing da pautak pike Tungda Governor amadi Union Minister JYOTIRADITYA M SCINDIA na mayai tangbal lawduna Northeastern Region Sports ki matangda high level task force ke Meepham amasu pangthokhe Meepham aduda Nagaland ki Chief Minister Meghalaya ki Chief Secretary amadi Department of Sports ki Joint Secretary na video conferencing ki khutang da saru yakhe Meepham aduda Manipur ki Chief Secretary Prasan Kumar Singh Ministry of Donor ki Secretary PCCF Principal Secretary Commissioner Singh amadi senior official kayana saru yakhe